Hi dear all, welcome you all to the brilliant group of institution. Dear all, here today we are going to discuss one of the most important organic chapter. Total we have 5 organic chapter: haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehydes, amines, and which one? Biomolecules are there. Among this all total, if you consider all these total 5 chapters from organic chemistry, total there are 33 marks especially from this area. So dear all, today we are discussing the most important and most highest weightage organic chapter, that is aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. It's a lengthy chapter and many concepts are there, many naming reactions are there, many distinguishing tests are there, right? Many conversion questions are there, right? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Hope you all are ready. Dear all, those who are in online, can you please comment? Are you ready? Are you ready for the battle? Shall we start? Aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. The most important questions we are going to discuss, around 30-40 questions are there. Dear all, please be ready. Please be ready with a book and pen. Some reactions are there, some conversion questions are there, A to B, B to C, C to D, like that. So those reactions, when you get it, please write the reaction and work out it very fast and give a correct answer in the chat box. I'm waiting for that, so I'm not wasting time. So dear all, I'm going to start. First question, that's for you. And dear all, from aldehydes, ketone, carboxylic acid, mostly we won't expect very confusing questions like conversion question. Mostly it will be direct question. You can able to see. I will give you time for answering that. You can comment in the chat box if you know the answers. I hope you all know about the answers and be confident about the subject. So dear all, please concentrate on the chapter aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. Please analyze and recover all the reaction what you studied in that chapter. So let's go for the first question. Here is the first question, dear all. Rosenmund reduction. You know very well this is the first naming reaction in this chapter, aldehydes. Rosenmund reduction. What is Rosenmund reduction? Let me tell you, dear all, a RCOCl. What is RCOCl? Dear all, through the discussion. Here I don't want to just say the question and answer. Try to understand what is the data or what is the information from each area and what all type of question you can expect. That also we have to discuss, okay? So Rosenmund reduction means, dear all, try to recover the reaction. What is Rosenmund reduction? When an acid chloride reacting with a hydrogen in presence of the catalyst palladium and barium sulfate, what is happen? HCl eliminate, you will get RCOH or RCHO. It's a preparation of aldehyde. So Rosenmund reduction is a preparation of aldehyde from an acid chloride or acyl chloride by treating with what? Hydrogen in presence of palladium and barium sulfate. You know the answer very well. I hope you are getting, yes, already you are giving the answers. Dear all, don't make mistake, okay? Don't make mistake, dear all. Please don't make mistake, because it's a very tricky question. There is a chance to make confusion and a chance to make mistake. Careful. Definitely we can cancel C and D because they are ketone. During Rosenmund reduction or due to the Rosenmund reduction is only used to prepare aldehyde, not ketone. So we can cut option C and D. So either A or B. Once again, I'm giving you chance. Once again, I'm giving you a chance. Those who made mistake or those who feel it's a wrong answer, you can give a correct answer, dear all. Once again, I'm giving you a chance. Which is the correct answer? Which is the correct answer? I think a mix of A and B are there. Mix of A and B are there. Dear all, there is only one option correct, okay? There is only one option correct. Careful. Prapti, that's correct. I think majority are going to the wrong answer. Sorry for that. No, don't worry, but try to understand what is the mistake, dear all. Dear all, acid chloride, right? Acid chloride. Dear all, we can't prepare methanol. What is methanol? Methanol is HCHO, right? HCHO, right? See, dear all, CO is already there, right? CO is already there. See, R group is there. What is R? Carbon, alkyl group. So dear all, definitely methanol we can prepare because R, for example, CH3COCl, it will give you ethanol. Ethanol onwards you can prepare. Methanol we can prepare, dear all. But benzaldehyde you can prepare. What is benzaldehyde, or how you can prepare benzaldehyde? Dear all, benzaldehyde you can prepare by treating with benzoyl chloride. You know, this is called what? Benzoyl chloride. When you treat with a hydrogen in the same medium, what happen? HCl eliminate, you will get benzene with what? C double bond OH. Yes, benzaldehyde we can prepare through this reaction, not methanol. Keep in mind all of you, through Rosenmund reduction we can't prepare methanol. Ethanol onwards we can prepare, and benzaldehyde also we can prepare. So our correct answer is what? Option B. Most of them went to. No problem, Dhruvil, no problem. Try to make mistakes now. Try to mistakes now, not purposefully, okay? So now you can make mistake, you can comment in the chat board, no problem. But during main exam, our target is main exam. During the main exam, keep this point in your mind. Shall we go to the next question, dear all? Shall we go to the next question? Are you ready? Are you ready? Be active, okay? Be active for 1 hour. Be active for 1 hour. Be active for 1 hour and keep concentrate on the question. Aldehyde chapter, dear all, most important chapter. Many reactions are there. You know very well what is the importance. Let me go to the next question. Question number 2. Ethanol can be prepared from ethine by which reaction? Ethanol can be prepared from ethine. Ethine. What do you mean by ethine? Acetylene. What is ethine, dear all? CH triple bond CH. You know, you may studied how to convert a alkyne to aldehyde. How to convert a alkyne to aldehyde. What is the reaction? What is the reaction? Adding water in presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid. Yes or no? Very good. That is treating with what, dear all? H2O by HgSO4, mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid, dear all. What is happening here? What is happening here? You know, H2O contain H plus and OH minus. You know, OH minus we can add to 1 carbon, H plus we can add to 1 carbon, because it's not Marconi-Kos addition, not possible. So OH come to this carbon, you will get CHOH double bond CH2. You know, it's having ene and ol. It's called what? Enol. It will undergo, this is not the final product, you know, it will undergo one rearrangement, one arrangement. What isomerism, dear all? It undergo tautomerism. It undergo tautomerism. What is tautomerism? This hydrogen shift like this, you will get CHO and then CH3. What is that? Ethanol. So ethanol you can prepare from ethine by treating with what? Water in presence of mercuric sulfate and sulfuric acid. What is your answer? Option C. Let me check how many of them are given the correct answer. Yes, Joel, Dhruvil, Sania, Adil, Madan, Samuel. Yes, most of them. There is no wrong answer. No option given. All are correct answer. Yes. Keep this one with you. Keep this one with you, dear all. And one more point, let me tell you. Ethine, if you treat it with this reaction, the product is the ethanol. Propine, can you tell me? Propine, if the alkyne, if you are using, what is the product? Can you type the answer? Suppose the same reaction, instead of ethine, suppose I am using propine, what is the product name? What is the product name? How many of you remember that? Same reaction, but what is the product? If you are using propine, yeah, it's ketone, yeah, which ketone? Because I already specified which alkyne. Propine on reaction, very good, Prapti. Acetone. What is acetone? Propanone. If you are using propine, you are getting propanone. Okay, one more point, just keep in mind. Let me go to the next question, dear all, that you can surely answer. Everyone, those who are in online, everyone try to give a correct answer. Easy question. Who can give correct answer first? Because our points and the concepts will be very sharp. Immediately we should get it. What is the correct answer, all of you? That's Dhruvil, that's giving the correct answer. No, Albert is there. Okay, Albert. Most of them are giving that is option A. That is correct answer, dear all. You know, oxidation of toluene. You know what is toluene? Benzene with CH3. Toluene first we treated with what? CrO2Cl2. Yes, that's called what? Chromyl chloride. Yes or no? Chromyl chloride. You will get a chromium complex. That's on treated with H3O plus. You will get benzaldehyde. Conversion of toluene to benzaldehyde by treating with the chromyl chloride. What we call a TARD reaction. They are all just to recover. What is the second option? Reamer-Tiemann reaction. You know, Reamer-Tiemann reaction is a conversion of what? Phenol to salicylaldehyde. Salicylaldehyde. Remember, okay? What is Wood's reaction? That you know very well. To combine two alkyl halide, you will get an alkane. What do you mean by Cannizzaro reaction? Cannizzaro reaction is given by the aldehyde which do not contain alpha hydrogen. They will give you a carboxylic acid and which one? Alcohol. That you know very well. So here is our reaction is what? ITARD reaction. So dear all, for your descriptive examination, if you have a descriptive also, not only MCQ, right? 2, 3, 4, 5 mark question, you can able to see which one. The naming reaction also, you know, this chapter contain many naming reactions, right? So here there is no wrong answers given. All are correct answer. All are given correct answer. Let's go to the next question, dear. Addition of hydrogen cyanide to a carbonyl compound is an example of what type of addition? Dear all, carbonyl compound is CO group, aldehyde or ketone it can be, and to which what we are adding? HCN, hydrogen cyanide that we are adding. You know very well, hydrogen cyanide when treated with the aldehyde or ketone, you are getting a product called cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin, right? Aldehyde or ketone, when you treated with the hydrogen cyanide, you are getting cyanohydrin. So what is the answer? What is the answer? It's also correct. It's also correct. All are given correct answer. There is no, I think there is no wrong options given. Dear all, which one? Nucleophilic addition. Who is the nucleophile? Cn minus. Who is the nucleophile? Cn minus, dear all. Cn minus attack on this carbon and the O become O minus. Why? Why the nucleophilic addition is possible on the carbon? There is a reason, you know. Carbon and oxygen, when you consider, carbon is electropositive, oxygen is electronegative. So oxygen carry a partial negative charge, carbon carry a partial positive charge. So definitely nucleophile attack on the carbon because nucleophile is coming with a negative charge. You know, hydrogen cyanide addition, hydroxylamine addition, NaHSO3, sodium hydrogen sulfide addition, all making what? Nucleophilic addition reaction. Yes, your answer is correct. Which one, dear all? That is nucleophilic addition reaction. That is option A. Correct. Option A. Dear all, are you clear? Are you clear? Do you remember these reactions? Do you remember these reactions? Yes or no? Nucleophilic addition reactions. Many are there, right? Right, Sania? Yeah, okay, right, these are the nucleophilic addition. Many are there. Careful, all of you. Yes, all right. Next question. Aldehydes other than. Now, I'm not reading the question. Suppose this question you can able to see in your board exam paper. What is your answer? All of you read the question, give an answer in the chat box. I'll wait for that. Read the question, all of you, carefully. What is the answer? Hope you can give a correct answer. Because this reaction you may studied in alcohol chapter also. Alcohol chapter also we had the same reaction we have studied. Excellent. There is no other confusions. Starting from Dharani, Prapti, Reshma, yes, Babilos, Samuel, Sarah, Hafiz, Allah, yes, all are giving the correct answer. That is no doubt option B. Dear all, you know very well, any Grignard reagent, when you treated with methanol, the aldehyde, you will get primary alcohol after hydrolysis. Any Grignard reagent, when you treated with other aldehydes, other aldehyde mean except methanol. Except methanol, any other aldehydes like ethanol, propanol, butanol, if you are using, you will get always secondary alcohol. And Grignard reagent, when you treated with any of the ketone, you will get always tertiary alcohol. This is fixed. This is fixed. So what is the question? Aldehyde other than formaldehyde. Yes, you will get secondary alcohol, dear all. That is option B. Anyone given wrong answer? No. All are given correct answer. Dear all, don't try to copy others, okay? I hope you won't do that. And just to keep concentrate, we have to know that yes, I studied or not. Because I'm going to write the examination. I'm sitting alone. No one is there. No one is there to help you. So you should read the question thoroughly. You should immediately go to the concept or the page or what you studied, that immediately we should get it. That is called what? MCQ. You have 3 hour time is there. You know, time is there. You will get enough time to practice or to do these questions. So careful and concentrate. Let me go to the next question. Tell me, dear all, which of the following will not give aldol condensation? You know very well, aldol condensation is given by only the aldehydes which contain alpha hydrogen. What is that? Aldol condensation, if it want to happen, they should contain alpha hydrogen. Already the answers are coming in the chat box, but still not those who don't know the structure, I'm just giving the idea. Keep in mind, all of you, aldol condensation is given by only the aldehyde which they contain which one? Alpha hydrogen atom. Let me just draw the shape of the molecule, okay? First one, phenyl acetaldehyde. What is phenyl acetaldehyde, dear all? Acetaldehyde, you know, this is acetaldehyde, ethanol, on which there is a phenyl group. This is called what? Phenyl acetaldehyde. What is option B? 2-phenyl pentanol. You know, pentanol means 5 carbon atom, right? 2-phenyl, second position. Sorry, yeah, 2-methyl. Yes, this is the compound, dear all. This is the compound, which one? 2-methyl pentanol. What is benzaldehyde? You know, benzaldehyde mean benzene with which one? CHO, aldehyde. Let me go to the last one, dear all. Option D, 1-phenyl propanone. You know, propanone, 1-phenyl, right? 1-phenyl, which one? Propanone. 1-phenyl propanone. This is the compound. So dear all, which of the question is which won't give aldol condensation? Aldol condensation is only given by the aldehyde or ketone which they contain alpha hydrogen. So they are asking which one not, which one do not contain a alpha hydrogen. Dear all, this is the main functional group. This is the alpha carbon. Yes, it contains alpha hydrogen. So it will give the test. And this is the aldehyde, this is the alpha carbon. Yes, it contains 1 hydrogen. Alpha hydrogen is there. It will give the test. Option C, benzaldehyde. This is the connected alpha carbon. Dear all, that carbon do not contain any alpha hydrogen. So it won't give the test, dear all. So what is the answer? Option C. Any other answer? Any other answer? Yes, starting with Nitin and ending with Sania. All are given correct answer. All are given correct answer. One wrong answer is there, no problem, but try to understand the mistake, dear all. So what is the point, all of you? What is the point? What about option D? Option D, when you check it, see Allah, option D is what? Option D is what? This is the main functional group. This is an alpha carbon. Yes, it contains alpha hydrogen. So it will give the test. Okay. So option A, B, D contain alpha hydrogen. So they will give what? The aldol condensation. Only option C is the one. Benzaldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen. Hope you clear? Dear all, next question. Which of the following compound does not react with the NaHSO3? Sodium hydrogen sulfite. You know, sodium hydrogen sulfite, NaHSO3. Sodium hydrogen sulfite, it's a type of nucleophilic addition reaction where it contains Na plus and HSO3 minus. That is a nucleophile. You know, nucleophile attack on aldehydes or ketone. So the reaction is happening on aldehydes or ketones, dear all. So which of the following compound do not react? Do not react. Dear all, it's an aldehyde. It's a ketone, it's a ketone, it's an aldehyde. You know very well what is the reactivity order of aldehydes and ketone towards nucleophilic addition reaction. So dear all, HCHO, C6H5. What is HCHO? This is HCHO and this is what? C6H5, COCH3 and CH3COCH3 and CH3CHO. These are the compound, dear all. You know very well, aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition. What? Aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition. Why? There is a reason, right? There is a reason. Dear all, in aldehyde, nucleophile, you know, it's attacking here. nucleophile is attacking here, where the attack is so easier. Can you tell me, dear all, among these four options, where the nucleophile can attack easier? I'm not going to the answer. Tell me, dear all, option A, B, C, D, when you consider where the attack of nucleophile is easier. Where the nucleophile can attack easier. Which one? Option A, right? Because there is no bulky group, there is no steric hindrance. So here the attack is easier. Then where the attack is difficult? The one which contain more steric hindrance, more crowdiness. Where is more crowdiness? You can able to see absolutely which one? Option B. Option B is a ketone where the two sides you can able to see bulky groups are there. Nucleophile attack is difficult, dear all. It's less reactive, very least reactive, or we can say among the option which one? Least reactive or not reactive. So your answer is which one? Option B. Yes. Dear all, are you clear this question 7th one? Are you clear the meaning, dear all? Keep this point in your mind, okay? Aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition reaction. Because of one reason, steric hindrance. One reason, more plus I effect group if it comes, what happen? Reactivity decreases. Okay? Yes. Next one. Which of the following compound will undergo Cannizzaro reaction? Dear all, in order to undergo Cannizzaro reaction, you know what is the condition. In order to undergo Cannizzaro reaction, the compound should not contain alpha hydrogen. The compound, there is no alpha hydrogen. The question, which one do not contain a alpha hydrogen? That already we discussed in the previous one of the question, dear all. Which one? Which of the following molecule do not contain alpha hydrogen? That is what? Benzaldehyde. Dear all, benzaldehyde do not undergo aldol condensation, but he can undergo Cannizzaro reaction. Because aldol condensation, there is a alpha hydrogen required. Cannizzaro reaction, no alpha hydrogen required. Right? That is option C is the correct answer. Yes, yes, correct. Abdul, yeah, starting with yeah, C, that is the correct answer. So Cannizzaro reaction, dear all, aldol condensation. Don't confuse and don't forget about the condition to occurs. Okay. Next one. Which of the following carbonyl compound is most polar? I'm waiting for your answer. Later I will explain. Everyone, you can give me the answer in the chat box. Which of the following carbonyl compound is most polar? Polar. Which one is most polar, dear all? Come on. Which one is most polar? Let me check how many of you can able to give the answer. Excellent. Okay, I think a small confusion is there. Small confusion. Let me just clarify that one. All of you listen. Polar, most polar, what is the meaning? Carbonyl compound is what? CO group, right? Carbonyl compound means CO group. I already told you, carbon and oxygen, there is a large difference in electronegativity. So oxygen is more electronegative, so it carry a partial negative, and carbon carry a partial positive charge. That you know very well, yes? Dear all, now it is polar. Where these charges are highly concentrated, like where, in which aldehyde or ketone this charge is highly present. Dear all, in first case, all of you listen very carefully. Those who made the wrong answer, everyone please listen. It's a very important question. This is a alkyl group. Alkyl groups are plus I group or they are EDG. Alkyl groups are electron donating group. They will give electrons to the carbon. If they already, this carbon charge is plus and this oxygen charge is minus, right? They are highly polar, highly charge separated. But if donating group comes, what happen? You see, they are electron donating group and they are giving electrons to the carbon, right? When they giving electrons to the carbon, the positive charge on the carbon decrease. That means polarity decrease. So dear all, more donating group if it comes, the polarity decreases, the charge decreases. So the answer is the one which do not contain more alkyl group. The one which do not contain more substituent, that will be more reactive, more polar. So which one, dear all? That is option D, because it's a donating groups are there, its plus charge will decrease. Here also one donating group, plus charge will decrease. Here there is no that much power donating group. So dear all, option D, most of them are giving correct answer, but a very few confusion is there. I hope it's clarified. Dear all, are you clear? Are you clear? Dear all, now you can make mistake, no issue, but study and what is the mistake you did, don't repeat in the main exam. Dear all, are you clear this question? Okay, more the donating group if present, more the donating group if it present, its polarity decreases. Okay, polarity decreases. Okay, no problem, don't worry, keep going all of you. Next question. Tell me, dear all, you can able to see this is an NCERT question, NCERT reaction, and what is this X and Y? Hope you can able to see. Starting is which one? Toluene. Starting is toluene. You know, toluene when treated with the chlorine in presence of light, you know, substitution reaction, you will get a compound. That's on treated with water and on heating, you're getting another compound, which is the compound X and Y. I'm waiting for your answer. Come on. Come on everyone, don't take rest. This is not the month. These 2 months we should not take rest. We keep practicing. Enough sleep is required. Okay, enough sleep is required. 6 to 8 hours you should sleep. That is also important, but it should not be too much. Okay, so just take rest, and now it's not time to take rest. You should be keep going and keep revising and keep giving answer. Which is the answer, dear all? Confusion is there? Okay, this is toluene, right? We studied around 3 reaction. We studied around 3 reaction to convert a toluene to benzaldehyde. One is Itard reaction, that you know. Second one is treating with which one? CrO3, that you know. Third one, this one, by treating with a chlorine in presence of light. When you treat chlorine in presence of light, first you will get benzyl chloride. What is benzyl chloride? CHCl2. 2-time chlorination we will do it. First you will get benzyl, then you will get benzyl chloride. So what is our compound X? Benzyl chloride. That's on hydrolysis. You will get which one? Benzaldehyde. So what is the answer, dear all? Benzyl chloride and benzaldehyde. Option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. A very few mistakes are there. No issue. No issue. You don't think that whether my answer is wrong or what I'm saying a wrong answer. With a doubtful mind, you don't need to give an answer. But try to attend the question, okay? Try to attend the question, no problem whether it is right or wrong. So those who made its correct answer, keep going. Others try to understand the mistake, correct it, okay? Let me go to the next question. Arrange the following compound in the increasing order of their reactivity toward nucleophilic addition reaction. I already told you aldehydes are more reactive than ketone towards nucleophilic addition reaction. So the given compound, let me draw, dear all. Ethanol, you know, this is called ethanol. Propanol, what is propanol? CH3, CH2, CHO is called the propanol. Butanol is CH3CO, CH2, CH3, butanol. And what is the last one? That is propanol. Sorry, dear all, in between propanol is there, right? In between propanol is there. CH3CO, CH3, propanol is there. What is the last one? CH3CO, CH2, CH3, butanol is there. Let me consider the compound as A, B, C, D, which is most reactive towards nucleophilic addition. You know, aldehydes are more reactive. So A and B are aldehyde, so they are more reactive. Among that, A and B, which is more reactive? Among A and B, which is more reactive? What we can say? A, the one which contain less donating group, less steric group, nucleophile can attack faster. So dear all, A greater, ethanol greater than propanol. So aldehyde over. Now let's go to ketone. Among C and D, which is more reactive? C, because it's contain less donating group. Dear all, less the donating group connected on the carbonyl compound, it is more reactive towards nucleophilic addition. So that is C and D. So what is the answer? What is the answer? Yes, correct. No doubt, no doubt, no doubt. That is option A. They're all the same question you can expect in the descriptive part also. Okay, they will give you 2, 3, 4 compound and they will ask you which will undergo nucleophilic addition faster. Give reason. What is the reason, all of you? More the alkyl groups, more donating group if it present, the polarity decreases. One more reason, more alkyl group if it comes, the steric hindrance increases, nucleophile attack is difficult. Okay, so this is the one answer. Yes, correct answer, dear all. Keep going. Question number next. Find the product of the given reaction. Let me just rewrite the equation, all of you. Benzene with COCH3, it's called which one? Aceto, right? Acetophenol. Let me treat with CH3, CH2, NH2. A amine. What is the product? I'm waiting for your answer. I'm waiting for your answer. It's a ketone. It's a ketone treating with an amine. Ketone or aldehyde when treated with the amine and ammonia derivative, a simple reaction is going to happen. Just the elimination of water. Just the elimination of water. Yes, dear all, eliminate water from where? This oxygen and this H2 that you remove and this connect part connected this side. So you will get benzene with C double bond OCH3. Where this oxygen you deleted, right, or you removed, right, that you connect here. So where N is there, CH2 is there, CH3 is there. It's very simple reaction. So what is the answer, dear all? What is the answer? That is option B, correct. Option B, right? When an aldehyde or ketone reacted with the ammonia derivative, just remove water and just club it. That's it. Yes. Next question, dear all, easy one. Okay, I'm not reading the question. I'm not reading the question. I'm sure you can able to answer this question without any mistake. Please don't make mistake in this one. Zinc amalgam. That's enough to give the answer. Zinc amalgam. Amalgamated zinc. That's enough to give the answer, dear all. Yes, right? Amalgamated zinc or zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam. Reacting with an aldehyde or ketone, it will give you a hydrocarbon. Propanone, when it is treated, you will get propane. Butanone, if you treat it, you will get butane. Like that, any aldehyde or ketone that you can convert it into its hydrocarbon by the help of which reaction? Zinc amalgam. Zinc amalgam, which one? Excellent. Which one? Clemmensen reduction. Clemmensen, right? Clemmensen reduction. You know very well there is a similar conversion is possible with another reaction. What was that? What was that? Similar conversion, a aldehyde or ketone you can convert it to hydrocarbon by means of another reaction other than which one? Clemmensen. What was that? What was that? Allah, yes, Wolff-Kishner reduction. Wolff-Kishner reduction. Excellent. Next one, dear all. What is the test to differentiate between pentan 2-on and pentan 3-on? You know the answer very well. NCERT question. Pentan 2-on. You can comment in the chat box, okay? Those who know the answer, comment in the chat box. Don't wait for the explanation. Those who don't know the answer, please listen here. This is what pentan 2-on and this is what pentan 3-on. This is pentan 2-on and this is pentan 3-on. Which is the best method to differentiate between them? Excellent. What is the answer? Iodoform test, right? Who will give iodoform test? The first one. The aldehyde or ketone, they contain CH3CO group. They can give iodoform test. You know very well. So this one can give the test. So which one, dear all? Iodoform test is the correct answer. What is Benedict test? Dear all, Benedict test is given by, it's a test for carbohydrates. And Felling's test, Felling's test is given by aliphatic aldehydes. And what about aldol condensation? That the reaction which contain alpha hydrogen. Yes, correct, right? Fine. Next one. In the following sequence of reaction, what is the final product? I told you in the beginning, please be ready with a book and pen. Now this is the time. Write the reaction very fast, very fast, very fast. Try to write the reaction. Give me the answer for the final product. Give me the answer for the final product. I'm also doing with you, but I hope you can give the answer before this explanation. I'm waiting for that. Dear all, mercury. Mercury means addition of water. That you already did with the tautomerism, right? I'm not saying the answer. I need to get an answer immediately before the explanation. This is the one. Undergo tautomerism. Okay. This is the compound X. Treating with CH3MgX Grignard reagent. You know, when it is treated with water contain H plus and OH minus. So H plus go to this side, OH minus goes to this side. You will get CH3, CH, OH, CH3, propan 2-ol. Propan 2-ol on oxidation. Dear all, who give the correct answer? What's the confusion, Albert? Well, there is a confusion. It's correct. It's correct. Dear all, your answer is not propan 2-ol. Answer is not propan 2-ol. Your compound Y is propan 2-ol. That's on oxidation. One step more. What is oxidation? When a secondary alcohol on oxidation, you will get which one? Ketone, dear all. Ketone. What is this ketone? Propanone or acetone. That is the final answer. Option C is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Hope you clear, dear all. Not wasting time. Hope you clear the reaction. Okay. Okay, fine. So carefully, because MCQ means do or die situation. Do or die. Either will get or will lose. So when you answer one question, full concentrate on that particular question. Don't bother about I have to answer many questions, other questions like that. Concentrate on one question properly. Okay. Here first ethyne on hydrolysis you will get enol, and undergo tautomerism you will get ethanol. We did before this step. Ethanol on Grignard reagent you will get, we know very well, a Grignard reagent when treated with a aldehyde other than formaldehyde, we know we will get a secondary alcohol. Yes, it's a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol on oxidation, what is the product? Ketone. There is only one ketone here, propanone. That's also enough. Okay, next question, dear all. Which of the following does not answer iodoform test? You know, iodoform test is given by the group which contain CH3CO group. So question, which of the following do not answer iodoform test? I'm writing the compound very fast. N-butyl alcohol. N-butyl alcohol. Dear all, iodoform test is given by aldehydes, ketones and alcohol. If it is an aldehyde or ketone, they must contain this particular group. If it is an alcohol, they should contain CH3, CHOH group. This alcohol group should be there. Okay, so this is the first compound, N-butyl alcohol. And what is option B? Sec-butyl. What is sec-butyl? CH3, CH2, CH3. This is sec-butyl alcohol. And C is what? Acetophenone. What is acetophenone? Benzene with COCH3. And what is option D? Acetaldehyde. What is acetaldehyde? CH3CHO. Dear all, which compound do not respond this test? Dear all, this compound, when you consider, CH3CHOH group is there, he will give the test. CH3CO group is there, yes, he will give the test. CH3CO group is there, yes, he will give the test. But the compound number 1, butanol, N-butyl alcohol do not contain that particular group, so it won't give the test. I hope you given the correct answer. Option A is the correct answer. Hope you clear that. So dear all, which one? The iodoform test is given by aldehydes and ketone which contain CH3CO group. If it is an alcohol, they should contain CH3CHOH group. Hope you clear. Next question. Come on everyone. An organic compound of molecular formula C3H6O. Okay. They did not give silver mirror test. You know, silver mirror test is also called what? Tolerance test, right? They do not give silver mirror test means it can be a ketone. It's not an aldehyde, right? So, you know, aldehyde will give silver mirror test. It's not giving silver mirror test mean it can be a ketone. It can be a ketone. Mirror with a tolerance reagent, but give an oxim with hydroxylamine. You know what is hydroxylamine? NH2OH. A aldehyde or ketone, when you treat it with hydroxylamine, you know, you will get oxime. We already proved that it is not an aldehyde. Why? Because it's not giving silver mirror test. So it is a ketone. So your answer is a ketone. Which is a ketone, dear all? Dear all, it's an alcohol. No. Option B, yes, it is a ketone. Option C, aldehyde. And option D is which one? It's an alkene with ether. It's not possible, right? So dear all, which one? Option B is the correct answer. Yes, excellent. Given the correct answer. So careful all of you. Silver mirror test is not given by which one? Ketone. So ketone. Why we confirm it's a ketone? Because it's reacting with hydroxylamine. Because hydroxylamine reaction given by aldehydes and ketone, it will give oxime. We already proved that it's not an aldehyde, so it's only a ketone. Easy question. Next one. Which of the following compound will give a colored crystalline compound with this? What is this compound? What is this compound, dear all? What is this compound? 2,4-DNP. Dear all, this is number 1, 2, 3, 4. This is our 2,4-DNP, 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. Which of the following compound will give a compound? Dear all, 2,4-DNP test is given by aldehydes and ketones. Dear all, this is acid chloride. Do not give. This is what? Ester. Do not give. This is a ketone. Yes, he can give. And this is an amide. Do not give. So what is your answer? Option C. They are all 2,4-DNP. What is 2,4-DNP? 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine. It is a compound. It is only reacting with aldehydes and ketones. Yes, that is option C. Dear all, are you clear? Are you clear? I am discussing the questions little fast because to answer many question within short time. It's already 9:46, right? Time is already okay, 9:46. I hope you clear. So dear all, are you getting the concept or not? If you are getting the concept, can you give a thumbs up? If you are getting the concept within short time, can you give a thumbs up? If it is clear, if it's only clear. Yes? Alright, thank you. Okay, all. Thank you all. So let's go for the, okay, good. Keep going. Next question. Come on, speed up. Few simple chemical tests are given below to differentiate between the pair of compound. Which of the following test is not correct? Which of the reaction is not correct? Means which of the distinguishing test is not correct? Tell me, dear all, a correct answer. Okay, thank you all, thank you. Keep going, okay, keep going. Concentrate on question, come back. Which one? Which test is incorrect? No. Dear all, which one of the following is a incorrect, which is not correct? Okay. Yes. In between some wrong answers, I think it's there. Is there any confusion? Is there any option more than that? Let me just check it. Okay. Option A, propanol and propanone. You know, propanol and propanone, silver mirror test, right? You know, silver mirror test is given by only aldehyde. Yeah, so he will give the test, he won. It's a correct distinguishing test. Acetophenone and benzophenone, yes, iodoform test, possible, no. Ethanol and propanol, Felling's test. Ethanol and propanol, you know, ethanol and propanol both are aliphatic aldehyde. Both of them responds to, or it will give Felling's test, right? So it's not a proper distinguishing test. It's not correct. Benzoic acid and ethyl benzoate. It's an acid, it's an ester, right? Sodium bicarbonate test. Actually, you know, sodium bicarbonate test is given by what? acids, even ester also, that's a most correct answer. We can able to say which one, that is option C, because both are aliphatic aldehyde, they do not respond which one, Fillings test. Okay, so best answer is which one, option C is the most correct answer, the most correct answer. Okay, most correct answer. Which one? Propanol on treatment with dilute sodium hydroxide gives. Can you tell me, dear all, what is the name of the reaction? By reading this one, what is the name of this reaction? Yeah, that's also correct. There is a chance to give, but the ester part is there. No, ester which contain acid and alcohol part. So the most correct answer, that's why I said most correct answer is option C. Even ester contain this one, right, acid and alcohol, that's why I said. Yes, dear all, what is the reaction? Very good, aldol condensation. Dear all, I will give you a simple method to write an aldol condensation product. Okay, what is the product? Propanol on treatment with which one? Dilute sodium hydroxide. What is propanol? CH3 CH2 CHO, that is called what? Propanol. You know, propanol when interact, you will get a which one? Aldol. So how to make this aldol? Very simple. Let me take one propanol, CH3 CH2 CHO. Let me take one another propanol. Let me just express with this one. Let me take one another same propanol. Dear all, how you can make aldol? So simple. This is the way. From the second compound, okay, from the second compound, take one alpha hydrogen. You know, this is the alpha carbon. Let me take one alpha hydrogen. How to write aldol product, all of you? From the second, it's a shortcut method, okay. From the second compound, take one alpha hydrogen. Please give to this oxygen. Please add on this oxygen. O become OH. After that, from which carbon you give hydrogen? This, right? That you connect with the oxygen connected carbon. Okay, I'm going to do all procedure now. With the color you can able to understand. Hope it's clear. CH3, CH2, CH. The O become OH. Now where this carbon you are connecting? On this carbon. So CH is there. On which one? CH3 is there, right? On which you have a CH3 group, and what is left? CHO. So where you can able to see this product? CH3 CH2 CH on which OH, CH on which CH3 CHO. I think it is option C. Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Hafiz, yeah. Yes, CH3, yeah. It will come as a branch. That's only one option given as which one? Option C. Yes, correct. Next one. Tell me, dear all, very fast, very fast. Don't bother about the size of the question. Answer will be so easy. Can you tell me? Maybe the first one is enough to get the answer. Anyway, let me tell you, because I want to discuss the correct answer with some complete idea. Clemmensen reduction. You know, Clemmensen reduction is matching with which one, dear all? Zinc amalgam. Okay. Next one. Rosenmund reduction. Rosenmund reduction is with hydrogen with a palladium. Right. And iodoform reaction. Iodoform reaction is with the sodium hydroxide and iodine. Okay. And after that, dear all, Cannizzaro reaction, a concentrated base. Overall, which is the correct answer? A with the second one, that's only one answer, right? A with the second one, that is what? Option C. Yes, good. This is the reaction I put to understand what are the components in each reactions. Okay, hope you get it. Next one. Okay, no time. Let's go fast. Only 15 minutes left. What is the answer for this reaction, dear all? They given CHO, a diol. It is treated with what? NaOH. What is the product X? What is the product X? I think it's an easy question, but I don't know how many of you get the concept very fast. Careful, careful. Careful, dear all. No, it's not correct. Nitin, yes, I think Nitin, yes, only Nitin given the correct answer. Nitin and Prapti, Nitin and Prapti, they given the correct answer. Let me tell you, dear all, what you can able to understand from the option, what reaction is this? Can you give me the answer? What is the reaction? Can you tell me what is the name of the reaction? It's a naming reaction. Which one? It is a naming reaction. Which one? Type it fast, type it fast. You all people are typing in the WhatsApp very fast, right? Same way, try to give your answer. No. What type of reaction? What is the name of this reaction? Neha? Yes, Cannizzaro reaction. So some of you may confuse. Is it Cannizzaro? Yes. Why Cannizzaro? Dear all, this aldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen. This aldehyde do not contain alpha hydrogen, and you can able to see from the option, one is alcohol, one is sodium salt of something is given. That is the product, you know, during Cannizzaro reaction. During Cannizzaro reaction, actually what is happening? One of the aldehyde become alcohol. So let me write its alcohol CH2OH. The other aldehyde become its sodium salt of acid COONA. Where is this answer, dear all? That is option C. Option C. Are you clear? Are you clear? Are you clear? I think I said Prapti and Nitin given the correct answer. Okay, dear all? Try to understand, it is a Cannizzaro reaction because there is no alpha hydrogen, and you can able to understand from the option what type of reaction is this. Option C is the correct answer, not wasting time. Next one. Which of the following is the correct order of the relative strength of acidity? Which is more acidic? Come on. Which is more acidic among this one? Which is more acidic among this one? What is the correct order of the acidity? What is the correct order of acidity? They're all halogens are there, fluorine, chlorine, bromine are there, all are withdrawing group. You know, withdrawing group can make more acidity. More acidity among fluorine and chlorine and bromine, you know, which is more electronegative. Fluorine is more electronegative. He make the acidity faster. Yes, no doubt, option C is the correct answer, dear all. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine. More the power of withdrawing group. More withdrawing group, more acidity, right? Fluorine is the more withdrawing group compared to bromine and chlorine. Correct answer. Easy question. Next one. Identify the final product in the following reaction. Anyway, time is less, but still I will wait for that. Tell me. Take your pen. Those who are confident, you can calculate in your mind, no issue. I am writing the reaction. Strong oxidation, right? K2Cr2O7. Acidified K2Cr2O7. That one treated with a PCl5. And that's on treated with a benzene. That's on treated with a benzene with N-hydrous AlCl3. Come on everyone, what is the final product? Already you started the answer. Very good. Very good. There is no doubt you can able to crack all the 14 MCQs very fast. Okay, dear all, this is ethanol. Ethanol on a strong oxidation, you will get ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid on treating with the PCl5, SOCl2 or PCl3, you will get which one? It's acid chloride. Acid chloride when treated with the benzene and anhydrous AlCl3, Friedel-Crafts acylation, you will get which one? Benzene with the COCH3, that is our acetophenone. The overall answer is which one, dear all? Option B. Ethanoic acid, ethanol chloride, and which one? Acetophenone. Yes, option B is the correct answer. We not only Y, identify X, Y, Z in the given reaction. Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. It's not actually, no need to write the complete reaction here. Maybe one or two itself you will get it. But I just explain the answer to understand the reaction. Next one, dear all. The product P in the reaction is, come on. What is the product P in the reaction? If you know a small concept, if you know a small, you don't need to do the complete reaction. If you know a small concept, you can able to answer very fast. Dear all, it is a Grignard reagent, no doubt. Grignard reagent when treated with a cyanide on acid hydrolysis, what is the product? That's enough to get the answer. There is no reaction on this part. My question is repeating once again. Grignard reagent when treated with a cyanide on acid hydrolysis, what is the product? Can you type in the chat box, all of you? What is a functional group? It's a preparation of a functional group. It's a preparation of one of the functional group treating a Grignard reagent with a cyanide. Which one? Which functional group? Which functional group? Adin, correct. Ketone. Adin, ketone. Not acid, dear all. Ketone. Dear all, a Grignard reagent treating with a cyanide, it's a preparation you may study under which one? It's a preparation of which one? A ketone. So which is a ketone here? Which is a ketone here? That is option D, right? Option D. But there is a OCH3. OCH3 part is missing. OCH3. That's nothing going to happen on the OCH3 part. Okay, that will be there. So dear all, option D is the correct answer. You may confuse because of the absence of the OCH3. It's actually there. Okay. So I'm repeating all of you. Cyanide when treated with what? Cyanide when treated with the Grignard reagent. What is the product is going to form? It's a product is what? Ketone is the main product. Okay. Ketone is the main product. Do you remember the reaction? Do you remember the reaction? What is happening here? What is happening here? CH3 plus, Mg plus CH3 minus. The CH3 minus attack on the carbon and become N minus. On acid hydrolysis, this bond break, you will get a ketone here. This is the reaction. So dear all, please see the preparation of ketone from cyanide. Cyanide on treated with the Grignard reagent, ketone is the product. The only one ketone is which one? That is option D. Okay, next one. Tell me dear all, Stephen reaction. Stephen reaction is used to prepare aldehyde from where? Stephen reaction is a preparation of aldehyde from where? Come on. Come on fast. Don't take rest. Don't take rest. Don't take rest, dear all. Stephen reaction. After Rosenmund, we may study Stephen reaction. Stephen reaction is a preparation of aldehyde from where? Yes, from cyanide. You know, cyanide when treated with a stannous chloride, right? Tin chloride, you are getting which one? Aldehyde. Very good. Option B is the correct answer. Dear all, only 5 minutes left. Speed up. Next one, identify the compound Z in the reaction. Dear all, this is a combination of the chapter, this aldehyde chapter with the amine chapter. Dear all, here I am doing that. CH3, CH2, COOH. Propanoic acid when treated with what? Ammonia. What happened when acid treated with ammonia? You will get amide. So you will get CH3, CH2, CONH2, propanamide. Propanamide on treated with Br2 and the KOH. Tell me dear all, what is the name of this reaction? What is the name of the reaction? When a amide treating with the bromine and the KOH. It is a question from amine chapter. Yes, the most important reaction. Which one? Which one, Faris? Hoffman reaction. In Hoffman reaction, you know, the CO group, you just cut it. The product is CH3, CH2, NH2, ethanamine. Ethanamine, when treated with a nitrous acid, HNO2, you will get, you will get diazonium salt. It is highly unstable, so it will give alcohol immediately. So what is the product? CH3, CH2, OH is the product, dear all. Ethanol is the product. Option C is the correct answer. I am repeating once again. Dear all. This is a carboxylic acid. When treated with ammonia, you will get amide. Amide on Hoffman bromination, this CO group you have to cut, you will get amine. Amine on diazotization, what is HNO2? Nitrous acid. Amine on diazotization, you will get which one? Diazonium salt, but it is unstable. Immediately it will give you alcohol. Ethanol is the final product. Option C is the correct answer. Dear all, just 2 minutes left. Next question, among the following acid which has the lowest pKa? Come on fast. Dear all, lowest pKa means highly acidic. Which is the one highly acidic? Come on everyone. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes left. Which of the following acid is lowest pKa, which means highest acidic? Which is highly acidic? Option C, dear all other acids contain electron donating group. More electron donating group, you know very well, less acidic. Yes or no? So the one which is C, having high acidic and low pKa value. Hope you clear? Given the correct answer. Good. Next one. Which one of the following does does not have sp2 hybridized carbon. Dear all, acetone. What is acetone? CH3COCH3. Acetic acid, CH3COOH. Acetonitrile, CH3CN. And what is acetamide? CH3CONH2. Which of the following do not contain a sp2 carbon? You know, sp2 carbon is the carbon having double bond connection. sp2 carbon means the carbon with a double bond connection. So which of the following do not having a double bond connection? Dear all, this carbon is sp2. This carbon is sp2. But this carbon, dear all, it's triple bond connection. That is sp. And this is also sp2. So what is our answer? Option C. Careful, okay? We may know the concept and the compound structure also very important. Okay? Structure also very important. Dear all, one last question. Which alkene on ozonolysis give this? What is this compound? Propanol and propanone. Which alkene on ozonolysis you will get these two products? You know, ozonolysis product for MCQ exam is so easy. You know, ozonolysis means first you will add ozone, you will get the ring called ozonide, and you will break by the help of zinc and water. You will get maybe aldehyde or ketone. You're already given the products are propanol and propanone. From which alkene you can prepare this? No doubt you can able to say the answer option A. Why? You know, break the double bond, put one oxygen left and right. That's the product. CH3, CH2, CHO, CH3, CO, CH3. So ozonolysis means just to cut the double bond, make one oxygen, put one oxygen left and right, that is a product. So propanol and propanone you can able to prepare by this alkene, right? So that's the product. So dear all, around 30 questions we had completed within sharp 1 hour, 1 minute exceed, sorry for that. Anyway, hope you enjoy the session, and most probably some of the questions you may made mistakes, and hope you clear what is the mistake in that one, and please don't make the same mistake in the upcoming examination. So hope you clear, dear all. So thank you very much, and see you again with some more important chapters. So aldehyde is over. Next, amine chapter and biomolecule is the only one left in the organic part, and after completing that we will enter into other inorganic and physical chemistry. So thank you everyone. And thank you everyone. Please prepare for your board exams are very close. February 28th is our chemistry examination. At any cost we have to score a good mark. We are with you, and from your side very important and maximum hard work is required. So don't take that much rest after the completion of the examination. Okay, go for that, go for the rest. So but this time keep concentrate and keep practicing the questions, MCQ, everything. Try to crack it immediately, and the time effectively try to utilize it. So thank you very much everyone. See you again. Thank you all. Good night.
Good morning.
Good morning. What's all this? Your results. Congratulations to all. Keep in mind, your first challenge is the entrance, whether it's IIT, JEE, SAT or NEET. You have to learn from the masters. Brilliant Qatar is the passport to your success.